Jungle.
I'll tell me something. You watch Dragon Ball Z?
Fire for that.
Fire for that?
Man, I watch two man a fight for balls. Fire for that.
Man a drag man balls to the Z. I want that.
Man a drag man balls to them Z.
Man a fight over dragon ball.
You, a man dead and them use the balls to bring him.
Guys, go in and check out this video right here.
My fellow Nigerians, remember when we used to think our food was the best? Remember when we used to think that now our jollof rice reign past everybody? Now we think now we do food, now us do food. Remember, we know win again. Make I just come closer, make I yarn you. We don't get the position again. No. We don't get our jollof rice to try, our goat meat to try. But those Jamaican people, oh my God. Oh boy, if you know, you know. If you don't know, enter correct Jamaican. Get rice and peas. You can do jerk chicken if you're a small boy. If you're a big boy like me, Hogsday, brother. Hogsday. And the man them that really know what they are doing, yeah, they will add some potato salad, something like that. Some man them, they add cabbage. Some guys who are really crazy like that, the Jamaican plus American soul food fusion, mac and cheese. You they wine jollof rice for where?
You know me? I am the original Jamaican Dunn. You understand? Jamaican.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, I've got something to get off my chest, okay? If you don't know how fair anger people culture, nobody touch it. Huh? If you don't know how to anger people culture, nobody touch it. If you don't know about it, don't involve yourself. Everybody want to involve themselves in a Jamaican culture, but them don't know how to angle it. Them don't know how to angle it. They don't. Last night I ordered some food late last night. I was like, oh, bit hungry. Yeah. Bagel and shakes open. Oh, lovely. Get myself a little jerk chicken panini. Gorgeous. Oh, I ain't had a beef patty in ages. I stopped eating meat this year. So I was like, oh, beef patty. That sounds good. It's not going to be a Jamaican beef patty, but we might as well try it. Why is it I've received the patty and they split it in the blood clot middle and put salad, onion and barbecue sauce? If you don't know about the culture, then don't touch it. Cause you frig up my patty.
Guys, go in and check out this video right here.
Okay, so I'm dating a Jamaican, right? And I was like, he told me bumbleclot, and I was like, what? And I said, hey Google, what does bumbleclot mean?
Bumbleclot, also spelled bumbleclot or bumbleclot, is a highly vulgar and offensive Jamaican patois slang term. Here's a breakdown of its meaning and usage. Literal meaning. It literally translates to butt cloth, referring to a menstrual cloth before disposable pads were common, or toilet paper. Figurative meaning, and most common use. It's primarily used as a strong expletive. It's often used as an interjection to express shock, anger, disgust, dismay, frustration, surprise, insult. It can also be used directly as an insult towards a person, similar to calling someone a douchebag or asshole. Cultural context. It's a common curse word in Jamaican patois and other English-based Creole languages. Its taboo nature likely stems from the association with bodily waste and menstruation. Offensiveness. Yes, it is considered very offensive and vulgar in Jamaican and Caribbean culture. While it has sometimes been picked up in internet slang or hip-hop culture, its original and primary use is as a strong profanity. Using it incorrectly or
So I was like, what? Google knows that?
I grew up in Jamaica, right? So, yo, when you do something,
Problem.
it's beating. It's straight beating. It's not grounded. It's not go to your room. It's not sit on a naughty step on. It's none of that. It's not take away anything. There's nothing to take away. take away my life.
That's all I have.
Ain't no Dreamcast, no N64.
Ain't no PlayStation, no Xbox, no Nintendo. There's none of that.
It's just me, bro.
Yeah, me and outside. You're gonna take me outside. Yeah.
Jamaicans, when were you gonna let the rest of the world know about these? When were you gonna let the rest of the world know about bag juice? I tried one like 30 minutes ago. Jesus, I levitated. What? So this is what you lot have been hiding in your hometown? You didn't want to bring some back to the end? You lot are stingy. Jamaicans, why? Why? Why are you trying to keep this a secret? Or maybe it's just me. Maybe I don't know. I'm not cultured enough. But damn, this is too good. One down, onto the next. One down, onto the next. You think I'm playing?
You can't bring Jamaicans nowhere.
I Jamaica man, the girl them more. I Jamaica man, the girl them more. Yard man thing. One college. You see them wanna try and what's the Chinese one here? What's your go? Wanna stop it here, man? Wanna go? We have to come from Jamaica Calabar one. Him not make sense him get visa, you know. He's a come back and feel me hard. Come in. See time to see. Mr. John! Ching one, ching, ching! Oh, you go! See time there. Back the chair.